Are you missing that savory flavor of your favorite Asian cuisine? Cheer up, my friends, because today we're tackling a pantry staple that is completely compliant with Autoimmune Protocol. Our clean oyster sauce recipe from scratch, not only easy, that uses simple ingredients, but very rich in umami flavor. So stick around because this recipe is a game changer. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. Since oyster sauce, common ingredients across the board and all of the grocery stores has soy sauce, sugar, non-compliant starches, and preservatives, we found substitution solutions. And this will be with coconut aminos, coconut palm sugar, and arrowroot starch. And of course, our fresh oysters, if available. If not, you may also use the frozen uncooked oysters. Just make sure to thaw it before you use to make the oyster sauce. To start, let's rinse the fresh oyster or thawed oyster thoroughly but gently. Into the pot, put 500 ml of filtered water. And we add 20 ounces of the washed fresh oysters. Simmer over low to medium heat for about 30 minutes, but not to boil. Once done, we slowly remove the oyster from the broth. And strain the oyster broth using a cheesecloth or fine strainer to remove sand or impurities. Into a separate small bowl, we combine a tablespoon of arrowroot starch, 2 tablespoons of oyster broth, and we mix this well. Then to the same small bowl with the arrowroot and oyster broth mixture, we add a tablespoon of our coconut palm sugar, half teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of coconut aminos, and we mix it well. Then, into a saucepan over low heat, let us pour 250 ml of the filtered oyster broth. And we combine the entire mixture of the sauce we prepared in the small bowl. Mix this well. Let it simmer for about 40 to 50 minutes, changing the heat from low to medium until it reduces and thickens to the desired consistency, stirring periodically. While the oyster sauce is reducing, sterilize the glass container into a boiling water for 30 minutes. This will help preserve the sauce longer. Then, we can transfer the sauce into the sterilized glass container. The shelf life of our oyster sauce is expected to be at 30 days or longer. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our AIP oyster sauce from scratch. Now you won't be intimidated to whip up some of your Asian cuisine faves, like our stir-fry bokchoy and lotus root stir-fry. Enjoy, and please check these other AIP tutorials out. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Vale!